Welcome to Mathy Python. This week's puzzles go with episode 9 on loops. We have 15 problems across 3 tiers. Tier 1 is warm-up. We look at printing numbers, computing a sum and average without built-ins, a multiplication table, basic enumerate, and zip. Tier 2 is more interesting. Find the smallest power of 2 over 1,000 with a while loop. Find the largest number in its index without built-ins. The temperature drop problem using enumerate. Running input accumulator and computing statistics, several statistics in a single pass. In tier 3, we get serious and look at prime numbers, run length encoding, the Sieve of Eratosthenes, the longest streak, and Monte Carlo pi. Monte Carlo pi is the standout problem of the set. You generate random points, count how many land inside a circle, and use that ratio to estimate pi. The Sieve of Eratosthenes is also worth the effort. It's one of the oldest algorithms in existence. The notebook is on my GitHub. The link is in the description. Open it in Jupyter. Work through the problems that appeal to you. Solutions will drop later. See you then. Happy programming.